마침내 남은 임기 2년의 대통령직을 이어받은 프랭크는 가장 먼저 고향에 있는 한 공동묘지를 찾아갑니다.
Hey, Pop. Been a while, hasn't it? It's the first time that the President of the United States has visited Gaffney.
You should let us take a photo at the grave.
He wants privacy. The man's honoring his father, for God's sakes.
그리고
When they bury me, it won't be in my backyard. And when they come to pay their respects, they'll have to wait in line.
한편 인적이 드문 곳에서 레이첼에게 공격을 당하고 정신을 잃은 더그는 병원에 실려와 수십 시간 수술 끝에 겨우 목숨을 건지고
Douglas, I want you to blink if you can hear me. Get some rest.
꽤 긴 시간이 지나고 나서야 정신을 차린 더그.
Douglas, who is the President of the United States?
Frank Underwood.
깨어나 보니 이미 몇 개월이나 지나버린 상황.
I have to get back to work.
There was damage to your left frontal cortex. Your motor skills will be a struggle. Your emotions will be unpredictable.
I know what I fucking suffered!
It's a long road ahead and we can't rush it.
그리고 자신이 병원에 있다는 건 프랭크의 최측근 자리를 세스가 차지했다는 걸 의미했죠. 더그는 병원에서도 백악관 상황에 촉각을 기울이고 있었지만 이미 더그에 대한 프랭크의 관심은 거의 사그라져 갔습니다.
You look well.
I'm getting there. I just want to get better so I can get back to work. How's Remy working out?
Oh, well, we'd much rather have you there, but he's doing a fine job.
말을 이어가던 클레어는 더그를 찾아온 진짜 이유를 꺼내놓죠.
Any idea where she is?
No.
I want you to tell all of this to the police. Nothing about her.
I got it.
It's good to see you.
You too.
클레어가 떠나자 어디론가 연락을 하는 더그. 그리고 잠시 후 경찰이 그를 찾아옵니다.
That's all I remember.
What were you doing in that part of Maryland? Mrs. Stamper.
I drive sometimes to think. Have you found the car?
We don't have anything other than what you just told us.
얼마 뒤 혼자 생활이 가능해질 정도로 회복된 더그는 드디어 퇴원을 하고 돌아온 집엔 완벽한 청소에 냉장고까지 채워진 상태. 하지만 더그의 머릿속은 어서 프랭크의 옆자리로 다시 돌아가려는 마음뿐입니다.
I think that once the nation sees AmWorks in action, they will change their attitudes.
그날 뉴스는 프랭크 취임 6개월간 실업률이 급증하며 지지율은 추락했다는 내용. 더그는 곧장 대변인이 된 세스에게 연락합니다.
I want to speak to the president.
Is it urgent?
I want to talk to him about the AmeriWorks program.
Oh, so nothing urgent.
It's not an emergency, no. Will you pass along my message?
점점 자신의 설 자리가 사라지는 걸 느낀 더그는 잠시 후 누군가를 만나러 갑니다.
You're late.
Switched cabs 3 times.
You know why I asked you here.
I don't know where she is.
Then you need to find out.
What do I get in return?
Like money?
Like getting me out of the bureau. You make that happen, maybe I can help you. Nobody has a clue about her. If that gives you any peace of mind.
Doug?
Tell him it's urgent.
한편 프랭크는 중동 지역 파병 문제를 두고 러시아와의 정상회담을 앞두고 있었고 다음 대선을 앞두고 절망적인 실업률을 잡기 위해 복지 예산을 삭감해 일자리에 투자하는 정책인 아메리칸 웍스, 일명 아목스를 추진하는 등 찬반이 갈리는 굵직한 이슈를 쌓아두고 있는 상황이었습니다.
I want $500 billion to put 10 million people to work. I don't care how much it hurts.
모두의 반대를 무릅쓰고 아목스를 강행하려는 프랭크가 더그를 호출합니다. 들뜬 마음으로 나갈 준비를 서두르던 더그. 하지만 그때 팔이 부러져 버린 더그는 당장 911에 전화를 걸려 하지만 백악관의 프랭크에게 돌아갈 기회를 날려버릴 수는 없었죠. 더그가 도착한 그 시각 대법원장은 알츠하이머를 진단받고 자리를 내려놓겠다며 대통령을 찾아왔고
How much time can you give me? I'm about to introduce America Works to Congress. It's sure to be an uphill battle, and I'd prefer not to add a Supreme Court nomination to the mix. Can you give me 6 months? A year at the most, that's all.
I need to think it over.
Of course.
President is ready to see you now.
Doug,
Mr. President.
it's great to see you. Now, come on, sit.
I should have taken care of her when I had the chance.
Well, they told me you needed to see me.
I've been following everything with America Work.
Well, that's a ways off.
But I was thinking that I could help.
You have to respect your own mortality, Doug. I don't want to be standing over your grave.
I'll work from home. Only direct contact with you or Rep.
You know the way that you can help me the best is to do exactly what you're doing right now, focusing on your recovery.
Why didn't you come right away? It's gonna hurt.
더그의 복귀 계획은 뜻대로 풀리지 않는 것 같습니다. 그리고 그날 밤 프랭크의 침실.
Francis, I want you to announce the nomination this week.
오래전 클레어를 유엔 대사 후보로 지명하겠다고 약속한 프랭크. 그렇게 프랭크는 클레어를 후보로 임명하고 그녀의 청문회 날이 찾아옵니다.
And over the last year, I've dedicated myself to sexual assault reform and have made meaningful strides.
What if there were a peacekeeping mission in, say, Burma to quell civil unrest, and the United Nations asked us to contribute troops to put our servicemen and women's lives in peril?
The U.S. military is irrelevant.
Excuse me, Mrs. Underwood, the U.S. military is irrelevant?
I have the utmost respect and appreciation for our troops, sir.
Not with statements like that, you don't.
Okay, I think that's an unfair characterization of what I intended
I am not
to say,
characterizing anything, Mrs. Underwood.
Sir. If you could maybe listen instead of grandstanding.
The position you're being considered for requires calm, cool diplomacy. Is this what we're to expect from our ambassador?
클레어가 공화당의 멘도자에게 얻어맞는 사이 프랭크는 아목스의 강행을 위해 민주당 지도부를 소집합니다.
The election's only 18 months away. We need to do something bold, something decisive.
하지만 너무나 싸늘한 지도부의 반응.
2016. We don't want you to run.
You weren't even elected to the office in the first place.
It's a bit early to be deciding something like this. Shouldn't we revisit this when we're closer to the primaries? Jackie?
I stand by the rest of the leadership.
Well, this is certainly a lot to think about.
Well, like you said, sir, we only have 18 months until the general.
It's your decision. But if you do run, sir, you won't have our support.
Thank you all for being so forthright. I'll get back to you on this issue a little later on.
아군마저 돌아선 외로운 대통령에게 클레어의 청문회 소식까지 전해지고
I just watched. How can I help?
I'm calling senators.
Well, I don't blame you for getting upset.
You didn't deserve that.
I'm a target now.
We both are. The leadership, they don't want me to run.
This soon?
Yeah, that's what surprised me.
한편 세스는 프랭크의 지시로 주기적으로 더그의 안부를 파악하고 있었습니다.
Listen, I know you're rolling out the MWorks program soon.
Yeah, that's on hold for the moment.
Something up?
We're focused on the summit next month with Russia.
I'll email you my ideas. Let me know what he says.
Will do.
Thanks.
거처로 돌아온 프랭크는 당의 지지 없이 다음 대선에 출마할 방법을 생각해냅니다.
I don't need the leadership if I can get the money. You?
Too early to tell.
Well, I'm here if you need me. It's Francis Underwood.
Claire Underwood for Senator Hillbrook.
프랭크는 대선 자금을, 클레어는 유엔 대사 지지를 위해 여기저기 전화를 돌리던 그 시각, 레미는 민주당 지도부의 속내를 파악하기 위해 제키를 찾습니다.
So here we are.
You know, when Walker resigned, Frank's president. You're chief of staff, but me.
What do you want?
I want to be on the ticket, his VP. It's repaying a debt.
There's no way he'll go for this.
Then there's no reason for me to be your eyes and ears.
I'll get back to you.
Yes, no, I'll try back again tomorrow.
I hope you won't fault me for having a long memory. Good night. How's it looking?
I had to flip a coin? I don't know. You?
Not a single backer yet.
I'm going for a run. I need to do something.
클레어가 조깅을 하며 생각을 정리하는 동안에도 프랭크는 자금을 마련하기 위해 모든 인맥을 총동원해보지만
Well, according to Erickson, I have 47 votes as of this morning.
결국 아무런 소득 없이 일단 세스와 레미를 호출하는 프랭크.
I have every intention of running for president. Nancy, wipe the schedule clean. We don't leave this office until we have a plan.
The nomination of Claire Underwood of Washington, D.C. to be the representative of the United States of America to the United Nations.
Ma'am, final tally, 52 to 48. Against.
The press?
In the briefing room.
I just heard. I'm so sorry.
But I'm very grateful to have been afforded the opportunity. I look forward to continued service as First Lady. Thank you.
대선을 고작 18개월 남기고 지도부를 설득하고 선거를 준비하는 건 불가능한 상황. 프랭크는 또 다른 아이디어를 떠올립니다.
What do you have in mind?
그리고 다음날 프랭크는 다시 한번 민주당 지도부를 소집합니다.
And my decision is I will not run for president. At 9 o'clock tonight, I will announce to the nation my decision.
What's the catch?
Dedicated to one thing, America works.
You're putting an awfully big price tag on this, Mr. President.
No, you've put an awfully big price tag on this. You want forward thinking, Bob? You want a fresh face for 2016? Then present my program to Congress. And if it dies there, so be it. But I want us to fucking try! I am prepared to vacate this chair. Meet me halfway.
그날 밤 프랭크는 다음 대선 불출마를 선언하는 동시에 아메리칸 옥스의 지지를 국민에 호소합니다. 모든 걸 건 한 방인 거죠.
In the next few weeks, the Democratic leadership will introduce a program called America Works.
그걸 지켜보던 더그는 그제서야 프랭크와 당의 마찰을 알아채고 그날 밤 세스가 더그를 찾아옵니다.
It's 2 in the morning.
Yeah, I just left the White House.
I thought you said AmWorks was on hold.
Well, it was, and then it wasn't.
The leadership didn't want him to run. But I figured it's the only reason he'd make that speech. Is that why you're here? Because he needs my help now?
No, I wanted to check up with you in person this time.
You should probably get some sleep, huh? Big day for the press team tomorrow. You can report back alive and well.
I'll see you soon.
같은 시각 여전히 유엔 대사직에 미련이 남아있는 클레어가 프랭크에게 다가갑니다.
I want the UN job, Francis. The Senate goes home in 2 weeks. I want a recess appointment.
Claire.
Now, I checked with the White House counsel. There is precedent for a recess appointment after a rejected nomination. Only once, but you wouldn't be the first. When I've put all this work into...
I'll do it. You sure you don't want to have?
임명을 강행한다면 가뜩이나 지지율이 바닥인 프랭크에게 심각한 타격이 불보듯 뻔한 상황. 하지만 그 자리는 프랭크의 도움 없이는 결코 얻을 수 없는 성배이기도 했죠. 며칠 후 중동 문제로 러시아 대통령과의 정상회담이 열리는 날, 회담장 밖에서는 성소수자들의 집회가 열리고 있습니다.
Welcome, Mr. President.
I reviewed your proposal for the Jordan Valley.
So, you like the proposal?
The answer is no.
자리에 앉기도 전부터 반대 의사를 밝히는 러시아 대통령 페트로프. 그 시각 결국 유엔 대사 자리를 얻어낸 클레어는 국무장관 캐서린과 업무 중이었죠.
I know you have doubts about me. The recess appointment. We haven't discussed it. And we should.
It really isn't necessary.
The president is on the line.
He said no. First word out of his mouth.
No to everything?
We're gonna have you and Kathy use the light touch. We need to massage this.
같은 시간 더그는 엄청난 조건의 스카우트를 받고 있습니다.
And you make your own hours. Come and go as you like. Compensation, would $220 a year work for you? The cap is $173. You deserve more than the cap. It's more than Underwood paid me. Well, I disagree, but hey, I'm not going to argue if you want to get paid less.
하지만 당연히 이 역시 프랭크의 속셈이란 걸 그는 알고 있었죠. 다시 회담이 이루어지는 백악관.
I hear you've recently taken up surfing. I have a gift for you. He laser etches images on one side, and on the other side, he puts Beatles lyrics.
You should come out to my dacha in Sochi sometime.
The first thing you say to me is no. The second you arrive, and the next moment you're inviting me to your dasha. Who am I dealing with?
And I'm telling you now, there will be no commitment.
You could have told me that on the phone.
I assumed you were undoing an insult by having me here.
Brass tacks. If you could have anything, what would it be?
I came with nothing to ask.
Men like you don't show up for dinner without an appetite.
Now, I rest my eyes a bit and put some thought into this with a fresh mind. We'll talk more later, at dinner.
Of course, if that's what you prefer. We have to wine and dine. You just focus on Petrov. I'll deal with Bob. The Vice President of the United States, Donald Blythe.
Mr. President, welcome.
Mr. Vice President.
Thank you.
그날 저녁 회담의 성패를 결정할 중요한 만찬이 이루어지고
And thank you to the President and First Lady for your grace and hospitality.
만찬 자리가 무르익어가던 그 시각 세스는 더그를 찾아갑니다.
Got a job offer. You arrange the job?
No.
The president?
What are you talking about?
Don't bullshit me, Seth. Well, I'm turning it down. You tell the president that I'm ready to come back whenever he needs me. I don't need training wheels.
I need you to work on Birch while you're here. See if you can get that list of possible candidates.
만찬 자리에서도 비서실장 레미와 프랭크는 대선 출마를 위한 물밑 작업에 한창이었죠.
Now, which is more intoxicating, this wine or Claire Underwood? This is what he does. He leaves the seduction to you. And you make a much better first lady than ambassador, from what my people tell me.
Mr. President, my gift for you. Best vodka in the world. Soboye Sayanskaya. Drink!
한 병에 무려 9억짜리 보드카로 연이어 건배 제의를 하는 페트로프. 그리고
Again! Now, you.
Mrs. Underwood.
To President Petrov and his little pickle.
Drink.
Any luck with Birch?
No list yet. I'll keep working him.
취한 건지 클레어에게 춤까지 청하는 페트로프. 그런데 선을 아득히 넘어 아예 박살내버린 페트로프의 돌발 행동.
Where does this lead?
Basement entrance. The Nixon kids would bring their dates up this way.
May I?
Of course.
방금 전 시위로 말문을 연 페트로프가 이제야 그 속내를 꺼내 보입니다.
From Poland to the UK, I want the entire missile defense system gone.
I'm asking for a few thousand troops in the Jordan Valley. You're asking me to dismantle Europe's entire defense system.
You're trying to consolidate your foothold in the region. So please, don't insult me with peace. Whatever your strategic goals may be, the missile defense system is mine. You ask me what I want. Well, told you. Enough smoke for one evening.
What are you going to do?
Try to meet him halfway.
페트로프 문제로 소가리를 하는 프랭크에게 조언을 건네는 클레어.
Francis, he's a thug. Don't cower to him.
The answer is yes. To some, not all of what you asked. Whatever it is we decide and agree on, the public cannot know.
I can only consider a partial scale back if you announce it.
I am more than meeting you halfway, Victor.
Have you ever been in Alada? Tiny little thing. It was a coffin on wheels. You see, Mr. President, I want the Lexus. And you're trying to sell me a Lada.
I'll have them bring your motorcade around.
But the press conference.
But I think we're going to be okay without one today. Have a safe journey home, Mr. President.
페트로프에게 선을 분명히 그은 프랭크는 이어진 단독 기자회견에서 협상 결렬에도 최선을 다하겠다는 말만 남기곤 국무장관 캐서린을 호출합니다.
You have thoughts on how to bypass Russia?
The idea is to negate Russia's veto in the Security Council.
얼마 뒤 제키는 전 대통령 게럿의 특검을 맡았던 헤더 던바가 대선 후보로 나올 거라는 정보를 흘립니다. 그녀는 인기도 많았고 무엇보다 돈이 엄청 많았죠.
Well, we have to assume this is happening. We need to end her campaign before it begins.
She's clean. Walk of editor for Solicitor General, then again when he made her special prosecutor.
It's one of the things that makes her so attractive.
한편 클레어는 캐서린의 조언대로 요르단 계곡에 유엔군을 주둔시킨다는 결의안을 제안하고
But inserting the UN into such a complicated situation could irrevocably damage the hopes of real peace.
클레어가 상정한 결의안의 투표 결과는
The vote is 13 in favor, 1 against, 1 abstention by a permanent member of the Security Council.
그리고는 안전보장이사회에서 러시아의 거부권을 무력화시키기 위해 물밑 작업을 시작하죠.
Going around the Security Council is a radical move. You dust off some 60-year-old precedent and think you're justified? I'm getting a lot of pressure from the Kremlin. Give me a little more time to work on him.
We've given you a month. We're moving forward.
그 시각 프랭크는 자신을 대신해 민주당 대선 후보로 나갈 거라 예상되는 던바를 호출해 딜을 시작합니다.
Justice Jacobs has Alzheimer's. Now, it's in the early stages, so you wouldn't even notice unless you know what to look for.
그녀에게 대법원장 자리를 던져주려는 거죠.
And honestly surprised that you'd consider me.
You prosecuted a Democratic president. You're too good to be Solicitor General. Let's make sure you have a job for life. It's important we do this before the election. We could end up with a Republican president.
Yes.
고민하던 던바는 프랭크의 제안을 수락하고 프랭크는 당장 현 대법원장을 찾아가 이 이야기를 꺼내죠.
I think I've found one.
Who?
Heather Dunbar.
I think she'd be an excellent justice, more than any Solicitor General I've ever worked with.
하지만 대법원장은 프랭크가 예상하지 못한 대답을 꺼내놓습니다.
As long as I'm well enough to serve the court, that's where I want to be. Mr. President?
I won't stand by and watch you make this mistake.
Do you have some ulterior motive here?
Only your best interests.
But why the urgency?
I want to protect you. Don't let events get out of your control. Will you reconsider?
그러던 중 얼마 전 정상회담 장소에서 시위를 하던 코리건이란 자가 러시아에서 시위를 이어가다 체포되는 일이 발생하고
Ambassador, do you think this could be in retaliation for what you're doing at the UN?
It could be. I'll see what I can find out from Moryakov. I don't think it's coincidence that Corrigan was arrested after our conversation.
Well, I wouldn't think it was a coincidence either. I actually
advocated for his immediate deportation. I agree that tossing him in jail is counterproductive.
Save Petrov from himself. If we give in, the Jordan Valley plan is over, and we show the Russians we can be blackmailed.
I'm gonna take flack every day that Corrigan remains in jail.
And you'll take more if you back down.
프랭크는 코리건 체포와 관련해 기자회견을 열지만 의미 없는 말만 반복하고 그러던 중 한 기자가 집요하게 파고들자 회견을 급히 마무리하죠.
Thank you very much. I apologize, sir. I need your credential.
You're kidding.
Do you see me laughing?
He has no grounds.
You disrespected the president.
You're fucking with the second largest daily in America. You can get rid of me, but you can't get rid of the institution I work for. Don't let your 15 minutes of power go to your head, Seth.
그렇게 기자를 내보낸 세스에게 울리는 전화.
Are you serious? I need to speak to the president.
덤바가 대법원 앞에서 긴급 기자회견을 열었다는 소식.
This country deserves a president who has dedicated herself. I announce my candidacy for President of the United States of America.
이 소식을 접한 더그는 결심한 듯 어디론가 향하고
Mr. President,
Ms. Dunbar,
my letter of resignation.
I can't accept that. I don't understand, Heather. I offered you a seat on the Supreme Court.
If Jacobs was stepping down, which he isn't.
So you actually think you have a shot at this office?
Yes, I do. And when you offered the nomination, I was overwhelmed. It's what I've been working toward my entire career.
Take the seat on the court where you belong.
Is this how you live with yourself? By rationalizing the obscene into the palatable.
I haven't excused you yet.
See you in Iowa.
그렇게 사직서를 제출한 덤바가 선거 캠프에 도착한 그때 그녀에게 전화 한 통이 걸려옵니다.
Hello. Is this a good time, Miss Dunbar? Doug Stamper.
How'd you get this number?
Phone numbers are easy. Look down the hallway.
Did the president send you?
He and I aren't in touch.
Then why are you here?
I've been out of the game for 9 months, Miss Dunbar. I want to get back in. I worked in the whip's office for 10 years. I have files on every single member. You rub shoulders with the leadership. I rub shoulders with the people who work for them.
대선 출마와 러시아와의 외교, 주력 사업인 아목스까지 뭐 하나 잘 풀리는 게 없는 프랭크는 답답한 마음을 가득 안고 성당으로 향해 봅니다.
There's no such thing as absolute power for us, except on the receiving end. 2 rules. Love God, love each other. You serve the Lord, and through him you serve others. You weren't chosen, Mr. President. Only he was.
May I have a few moments for myself? Love, that's what you're selling. Well, I don't buy it.
Is everything all right, sir?
I was praying and it just fell. Please have someone clean this up.
얼마 뒤 프랭크는 아목스를 위한 자금을 끌어올 방법을 생각해냅니다. 대규모 실업을 재난으로 선포하고 긴급 예산을 사용하려는 거죠.
There's no doubt it'll be challenged in the courts.
Well, even so, by the time that happens, people will see what America Works looks like.
주지사들의 반대를 예상한 프랭크는 일단 주지사가 없는 워싱턴 DC의 시장 바니허를 호출합니다. 그는 예전 피터 사건을 도왔었죠.
City as soon as possible before the court challenges bubble up.
What about one big tick right in front of the Capitol?
Can we do something by July 4th?
다음날 프랭크는 곧장 재난관리청 FEMA를 찾아갑니다.
Unemployment doesn't constitute a natural disaster, Mr. President.
The Stafford Act gives me full authority to define an emergency.
People could die, Mr. President.
People are dying because they don't have jobs.
You can't compare unemployment to a Cat 4 hurricane.
I came to your office because I want this to remain your office.
그 시각 덤바는 연일 프랭크를 비판하며 공세를 퍼붓는 중이었죠.
I wish that there were more people in our government defending it.
When I'm president, the American people can rest assured that
정의의 대명사 덤바의 지지율이 치솟고 재난 예산으로 공격이 더 들어올 걸 예상한 프랭크는 여성표를 가져오기 위해 제키를 출마시키려 합니다.
The FEMA plan goes into action. You announce in a couple of weeks. President Underwood is being reckless with FEMA. You come out against me and America Works and you steal Dunbar's thunder.
레미는 더 나아가 제키의 새 남친에게 자녀가 있으니 빨리 결혼의 가정적인 측면을 어필하자 제안하고 그 시각 덤바의 선거 캠프.
What are you thinking in terms of salary?
what do you think's appropriate?
$250 and 3 points on the ad-buy.
We don't trust you yet, Doug.
And you shouldn't trust me. Until I prove myself.
Cynthia and I will discuss.
한편 백악관에서는 얼마 전 세스가 내쫓은 기자를 대신해 새로운 기자가 오고
Kate Baldwin, The one and only. Where do they have you sitting?
Right there, second row. What's the president speaking about tomorrow?
You don't waste a minute, do you?
시장 바니얼의 기자회견과 함께 아목스 예산을 위한 싸움을 시작하는 프랭크.
Anyone who registers for work in the District of Columbia will be guaranteed a job. Our hope is that success in Washington will convince Congress to fund America Works nationwide. Our goal is full employment within 12 months.
그 사이 기자 케이트는 재난관리청 장관이 프랭크에게 사직 압박을 받았다는 정보를 전해 듣고 당장 장관에게 연락합니다.
So it's true.
It's true. I resigned.
Why are you still in the office?
I'm writing about the resignation.
And I can't stop you, but there won't be a quote from me.
This is an opportunity to speak out.
Talk to Arnie Silva, the FEMA administrator. He's more disgusted by all this than I am.
장관과의 통화 이후 곧장 실바 국장과 비밀 회동을 갖는 케이트. 국장은 최소 2개의 허리케인이 더 올 거라며 예산을 지켜내야 한다 강조하죠.
Has he asked you to resign?
He threatened it, but I said I'd cooperate. Nobody has more experience.
I need a quote, Mr. Silva.
I can't do that.
I didn't think the Telegraph would send someone like her. I take responsibility for that, sir, and I will do my best to keep her in line.
Let's confirm his resignation. No point in keeping it a secret now. Tell Steve he can vacate his office.
이 모든 상처를 떠안고도 프랭크는 아목스를 성공시켜야만 했습니다. 이미 너무 많은 걸 걸었으니까요. 한편 러시아를 견제하려던 클레어의 물밑 작업도 순탄히 진행되지는 않는 것 같아 보입니다.
I will get this resolution passed. Don't underestimate my ability or desire to do so.
You've bit off more than you can chew, Claire. Leave this to the professionals and let your little resolution die a painless death.
It's a perversion of the Stafford Act, and you know it.
It's a reading of the Stafford Act. We read it differently.
Bob and I have agreed. Both parties will fight you on this.
Gentlemen, I don't want to do this, but what choice have you left me?
We're drafting a law saying this use of the DRF is illegal.
So pass your law, I'll veto it, and when you overrule me in the Senate, we'll let the third branch decide.
그 사이 덤바의 응답을 기다리다 못한 더그는 다시 그녀를 찾아갑니다.
You could have just called.
I need her to leave.
덤바의 비서가 자리를 비우자 더그는 가방에서 무언가를 꺼내기 시작합니다.
Read that. Mrs. Underwood asked me to destroy it. I didn't.
You should have. I am not running that sort of campaign.
I have a certain skill set, Miss Dunbar. Like putting you in office. 150. 1 point on the ally.
No points. But I'll do 100,000 win bonus if we get the nomination.
Well, came over here for some good news.
I'm in. August 19th.
We wanted you to announce a lot earlier than that.
No, not the announcement. This.
Cardiology's good money.
Aren't you going to say congrats?
Congratulations. I'm happy for you both.
Are you? Sorry. That wasn't fair.
Maybe we should talk about dates for announcing the campaign.
Week after next seems to be the best option.
며칠 뒤 바니얼 시장과 손을 잡은 프랭크는 결국 재난 예산을 투입해 아목스를 강행합니다. 모든 걸 건 프랭크의 한방이 시작된 거죠.
3,000 people have registered since we set up shop this morning. Now that's what I call a 4th of July party.
24시간 휴무 없이 아목스 등록소가 북적이고 바비큐집 프레드까지 아목스를 찾은 그 시각 러시아의 페트로프는 중동 문제를 다시 논의하자며 프랭크를 러시아로 초청합니다.
Michael Corrigan?
They're going to release him when we visit. You made a miracle happen.
We did.
그리고 며칠 뒤 러시아로 향하는 비행기 안 프랭크 부부는 오늘의 성명서를 다시 검토합니다.
You think Corrigan will say it?
I'm sure he'll hate every word, but if it means coming home.
You're both confident that this is rock solid?
If Petrov doesn't cooperate, the Secretary General will call an emergency session the moment we land in the States. Have you slept at all?
No.
이번에는 반드시 외교적 성과를 보여야 하는 프랭크. 그리고 유엔 대사로서 인정받기 위해 코리건을 안전히 데려와야 하는 클레어가 각자의 중대한 목적을 안고 러시아에 도착합니다.
Thank you for releasing Mr. Corrigan. It means a great deal to us.
Mr. Linsky, my chief of staff, will escort you to the facilities.
클레어가 코리건에게 향하고 다시 독대하게 된 두 사람.
So, we start over.
Michael,
Mrs. Underwood.
you've been treated well? The president asked me to see you in person to share the good news. The terms of your release have been finalized. We'll be bringing you home with us tomorrow.
What are the terms?
There will be a joint press conference. The agreement asks that you make a brief statement.
성명서엔 코리건이 자신의 잘못을 인정하고 석방해준 페트로프에게 감사를 표하는 내용이 담겨 있었죠.
Sorry, I can't say it.
The statement is a prerequisite for your release. There are no negotiations here, Michael. That part already happened.
You're gonna have to drag me out of here because I'm not giving that statement. Would you read that statement if you were me?
Yes, I would.
You'd thank a man who says you're dangerous to children.
We will drag you out if necessary. You don't have any power over that.
What are you up to?
What do you mean?
Corrigan.
Well, if anything, Claire is trying to convince him to make it.
If there is no statement, there is no deal.
I have complete confidence in my wife. And Victor, you must know, this isn't part of any plan.
코리건이 고집을 부리자 별 수 없이 프랭크에 연락하는 클레어.
You need to convince him to let go of the statement.
Look, you have to assume we're being overheard.
Victor, if you're listening to this, please know I'm advocating on your behalf, but you might want to consider letting the statement go.
But isn't it even more powerful coming from me?
The fact that he says them shows respect for our laws. I don't want our deal to fall apart any more than you do. Your wife was right on the phone. But I need to show strength.
You should go back. There's no reason for you to be in here with me. You should go back. I need time to think alone.
I'm not leaving here without you.
I need time! David, just get some rest.
For a few minutes.
클레어는 결국 그의 곁을 지키다 잠이 들었고 결국 두 정상은 프랭크가 대신 성명서를 읽는 선에서 합의를 봅니다.
This looks good.
You say every word.
Of course.
그리고 미사일 방어 시스템을 축소하는 대신 러시아가 요르단 계곡에서 병력을 철수시키는 것까지 입을 맞추죠. 하지만 코리건은 잠든 클레어의 스카프를 이용해 되돌릴 수 없는 선택을 하고 말았고 그 상태로 미국 러시아 정상의 기자회견이 열립니다.
As you all know, Michael Corrigan was found dead in his cell this morning. We don't know why Michael chose to do what he did. He was being treated well and was grateful to President Petrov for granting his imminent release.
그렇게 뻔한 거짓말을 이어가던 클레어가 갑자기 말을 멈추고
I do know why Michael decided to take his own life because he didn't want to lie.
Thank you, Mrs.
He was brave, and his voice deserves to be heard. And ignorance and intolerance of your government, Michael would still be with us. Shame on you, Mr. President.
My apologies to President Petrov and to the Russian people.
클레어의 돌발 행동으로 모든 건 원점으로 돌아갑니다.
Claire.
Don't, Francis.
If Petrov won't get on the phone with me, then I'll speak to Bagayev. I just got off the phone with Kathy. The deal's off. Everything we negotiated. We have to discuss the next move. I just want to minimize the damage. If Petrov won't come around, we have to move forward with the resolution at the UN.
We're prepared for that.
Good, thank you.
I know you're angry. You should be.
Is this some sort of apology, or you need to get something off your chest?
I want you to try and understand.
So you want me to forgive you, to say that it was okay?
I'm not asking you.
Then why are we even discussing it?
Because I want you to know why.
I don't care why.
Something undeniable. I was not going to try and deny it. He had more courage than you'll ever have. We're murderers, Francis.
No, we're not. We're survivors. I should have never made you ambassador.
I should have never made you president.
What are you looking at? A lot of people are calling you a hero.
A lot of people aren't.
한편 공화당에선 프랭크의 재난 예산 사용을 본격적으로 공격하기 시작합니다.
The Republicans are introducing a bill that amends the Stafford Act. It's got bipartisan support.
If they pass the bill, I'll veto it. If they override, I'll refuse to enforce. And by the time it gets to the Supreme Court, we'll have jobs to show and they'll have nothing but rhetoric.
그리고 그날 밤 해커 개비는 레이첼에 관한 정보를 입수했다며 더그를 불러내 자료를 건네죠.
Where was this taken? Santa Fe. I should go there. No. These photos, 3 weeks old. Give me more then. How's my passport coming? An exact location. How's our deal? Can you give me the camera feed? I'll send you the link.
레이첼에 점점 가까워져가는 더그. 잠시 후 개비는 동영상의 링크를 전송해줍니다. 한편 러시아에서의 일 이후 프랭크 부부의 분위기는 여전히 극도로 냉랭한 상태.
Are you going to come with me to the memorial today?
I'm buried right now.
Fine.
사회보장법 도입 80주년 기념 국민 담화에서 프랭크는 아목스의 성과를 발표하는 중이죠.
Later this afternoon, I will visit FDR's memorial to pay my respects to the man who ushered in Social Security 80 years ago. Thank you, and God bless the United States of America.
재난기금을 멋대로 끌어다 썼다며 여전히 맹공격을 받는 아목스. 하지만 그 확실한 성능 덕에 프랭크의 예상대로 지지층이 모이기 시작하고 프랭크는 루즈벨트 기념비를 방문합니다. 부부가 따로 떨어진 루즈벨트 기념비. 프랭크가 깊은 생각에 잠깁니다. 고민의 끝에선 프랭크는 클레어에 힘을 실어주기로 결심하죠.
Promise the money. Whatever you need to turn them around, I'll approve the USAID funds.
What made you change your mind?
Today, at the memorial, you know what struck me the most? Eleanor. She was off by herself, alone, and so was Franklin. He was alone. And there was a wall between them.
그렇게 다시 손을 맞잡는 부부. 클레어는 프랭크를 처음 만났던 때의 머리색으로 염색하며 관계 회복을 암시하죠.
We would never try to sabotage the resolution. The United States is our ally.
My husband formally approved our own humanitarian package for $80 million. So you talk to your superiors. And when the amendment is withdrawn tomorrow, you will commit to supporting the resolution.
프랭크의 도움으로 체면을 살린 클레어가 집에 돌아왔을 때 둘의 침대에는 선물이 놓여져 있었습니다. 다음날 프랭크는 기상청 보고를 받습니다. 엄청난 허리케인이 미국으로 접근해 온다는 절망적인 소식이었죠.
How strong will it be when it hits?
Simulators say Cat 3, possibly Cat 4.
Yes, but some of these projections have it turning back to sea.
Sir, FEMA's mission is to prepare for the worst. I'm worried about the funding.
The disaster relief fund has been depleted by a third since you launched AMWR.
We shouldn't gamble with something like this, sir. Hundreds could die, maybe thousands.
프랭크는 양당 대표를 소집하고 재난기금을 논의하려 하지만 민주당 대표인 밥은 재난청 예산을 끌어다 쓴 걸 들먹이죠.
America Works and the hurricane are two separate issues.
If you choose not to sign the bill, we can't be blamed. We stepped up.
And look, I admit I may have overstepped.
The only question is whether you're going to sign it before that hurricane hits or watch it become law after thousands have died.
Gentlemen, is there no room for a compromise?
No, Mr. President.
이제 아목스 예산이 잘못됐다는 걸 인정해야만 하는 프랭크. 그때 프레디마저 아목스에 지원했다는 소식을 들은 프랭크는 서명을 피하기 위해 내각을 소집합니다.
Have you given any thought to simply signing the bill that Congress passed last night?
How many of you think I should sign the bill? I want you to be honest with me. I won't hold it against you. How many of you think I should sign the bill? Thank you.
그 시각 덤바는 아목스를 위해 삭감된 복지 예산을 꼬집으며 재벌에게 세금을 걷어 최저임금을 올리겠다며 지지층을 끌어모으고 있었고
Doug called? While you were giving your speech. What about?
더그는 제키의 출마가 프랭크의 전략이라며 덤바에 조언하죠.
Sharp has an event in Dubuque tomorrow. Meet with her somewhere discreet.
You're going to talk to Sharp about the hurricane.
다음날 저녁 덤바는 행사를 마친 제키를 조용히 불러내고 프랭크를 소신있게 비판하는 모습이 멋지다며 그녀를 떠보기 시작합니다.
I'm not above disagreeing with an ally when they're wrong.
In the spirit of what's right, I want you to know I'm suspending my campaign. When the storm makes landfall, I'll be heading out east to volunteer.
You want me to suspend as well?
We can announce together. That takes the politics out of this.
I'll leave you to your workout.
You have kids now.
I have a husband. He has kids.
You don't consider them your own? I don't know if you've felt this way since you got married, but it puts everything into perspective for me. Have you felt that at all since you became a mother? This campaign seems meaningless.
덤바가 제키를 회유하던 그 시각
Tell him Jackie and Dunbar met in Dubuque tonight.
How do you know this?
Give him the information and tell him who it came from.
But are you working for Jackie? Under the radar?
No, I'm just looking out for the president.
그 시각 고민 중인 프랭크의 집.
Did you mean it today when you raised your hand?
No, but I knew if I did, the others who wanted to would be less afraid. Relax for a minute, Francis. We should cancel the UN ceremony tomorrow. It's celebrating in the middle of a crisis.
You made this resolution happen. I'll be damned if I'm going to let this hurricane rob us of that.
러시아를 압박하는 결의안이 통과되며 기쁘게 유엔 기념식에 참석한 프랭크. 그런 그에게 제키와 덤바의 비밀 회동이 보고되고
And this happened last night.
from what I can gather.
But you're supposed to be keeping tabs on her.
Just because Jackie and I have a personal history doesn't mean I know her every movement, too.
You're the one who convinced me to make the deal with her in the first place.
We needed information. She had access.
Watch yourself.
So you just want me to apologize and be a yes man?
Oh, it's like you want me to fire you.
You couldn't, and you know it. Seth and I are the only two soldiers you have.
Get Jackie on the phone.
Yes, sir.
Sir, Congresswoman Sharp calling for you.
I'll take it in here.
I apologize if you hear chewing. This is the first chance I've gotten to eat all day. Non-stop events.
I'm surprised you have an appetite after meeting with Dunbar. Suspending your campaigns, I'm assuming that you told her no.
I told her yes.
This isn't just your campaign, Jackie. This is our campaign.
May I offer you some advice, sir?
Sign the bill. If you don't, and the storm hits, you and I won't have a campaign.
As of tomorrow, Congresswoman Sharp and I are suspending our campaigns.
We look forward to resuming our campaigns when the storm is cleared and people of the East Coast are safe.
Freddie, the President would like to see you, Mr. Hayes.
Do you mind if I bring my grandson?
Of course. We got a car waiting.
You signed up for America Works.
I did.
I've spoken to our head of operations, and if you want it, there's a job for you here.
What's the pay?
Figure somewhere around $3,000 a month.
What's the job?
I'll put you in touch with the head chef right away.
I was wondering if you had anything else. Just because I owned a rib joint don't mean I like working in them. You got groundskeepers out there.
You'd prefer that? Well, I'm sure that something could be arranged.
프레디에게 따로 일자리를 마련한 프랭크는 결국 그날 밤 아목스를 무력화하는 법안에 서명하게 됩니다.
Green light on the release?
Yes.
I'm so sorry, Francis. I know how hard this is. Well, if it's any solace, Kathy just called. The Russians are willing to contribute troops, so the isolation worked. They're sending 300 troops.
Have one of the stewards wake me when it hits the coast.
Francis.
Where did it make landfall?
The hurricane turned.
하늘도 돌아선 프랭크. 그가 법안에 서명하자 허리케인은 극악의 확률을 뚫고 방향을 틀었죠.
How do we pull back on the bill? I already checked with the White House counsel. The bill is officially law and the money's already been appropriated.
프랭크가 자신의 많은 걸 걸었던 한방, 아목스의 몰락. 프랭크는 결국 다음 카드를 꺼내듭니다.
Now, here's the truth. The American dream is broken. Believe me, I know how you feel. We have to turn that anger into action. You need to let them know that a vote for Frank Underwood is a vote for America Works.
It's Secretary General. She says it's urgent.
Oh, my wife, ladies and gentlemen.
An IED right off Route 93 kilometers from the Jordan River. 2 armored vehicles were destroyed. All 8 troops were killed.
We need the UN to investigate the blast site.
The Russians have cordoned it off. They're not letting anyone in.
Remy, I need to speak to Petrov immediately.
I've contacted the Kremlin. They say they'll reach out soon.
It's gonna be a late night here. I gotta go, hun. Foreign Affairs is holding an emergency session.
Talking points.
These make me uncomfortable.
Can't criticize the mission. We need you to keep everyone calm.
You know how I feel about unnecessary military involvement.
If you don't want to support the president, you shouldn't want to be his number 2.
You're right. I'll do what I can.
같은 시각 게비는 더그에게 레이첼에 관한 정보를 더 얻었다며 자신의 출국 금지를 풀어주면 정보를 넘기겠다 제안하죠.
You satisfied?
Rachel.
It says Jane Doe.
That's her. And she goes to the identity of a girl named Rebecca Sands.
There's no picture.
신분을 위장해 도망다니던 레이첼이 사망했다는 서류와 사진.
That's not her.
Come on, man, there's fingerprints. It was a 10-point match with Jane Doe. I need the passport lock lifted now. When will you be on it? As soon as
I can!
You reached Seth Grayson.
I need to see him. My mother died.
그 시각 프랭크는 페트로프 대통령에게서 간신히 연락을 받습니다.
Well, is there anything wrong with allowing UN investigators to work in conjunction with your people?
UN command sent my men on that patrol.
Whoever's responsible, we can't let them foment distrust between us. Let us help you find out who did this.
Russians are dead. Russia will find the killers.
Well, I don't...
페트로프가 귀를 틀어막고 대화를 거부하자 클레어는 러시아 대사 알렉시를 찾아갑니다.
You talk. I'll listen.
Palestine says it can't control Hamas if Israeli troops cross into the valley. We have to back-channel this, Alexei. Petrov won't listen to Francis. This whole thing, you can't let it devolve into something nobody can control.
Well, maybe that was the objective.
You said objective. Are you telling me this was somehow planned?
I haven't said anything. The whole world wants to know who's responsible.
Your troops won't let anyone near the blast site because they don't want the world to know.
My brother, he's in the FSB. We spoke a week ago. I haven't heard from him since.
Are you absolutely certain about this? Alexei, go public. We'll protect you.
Like you did Xander Fang?
알렉시와의 대화를 통해 클레어는 이번 일이 러시아의 자작극이라 확신하게 되죠.
But does he strike you as a traitor?
He definitely has doubts about Petrov.
Shouldn't we at least entertain the possibility?
Yeah, but how can we determine it one way or the other definitively?
We'd have to get men to the blast site, retrieve soil samples, and blast debris.
How soon could we get a team in?
12 hours, Mr. President.
And what are the odds of success?
I can't say better than 50-50.
You're certain?
Yes, I am.
Let's put it in motion.
그리고 얼마 뒤 세스로부터 더그의 메시지를 전해받는 프랭크.
He said his mom died?
Except Julia Stamper passed away 10 years ago. I know. I was at the funeral.
중요한 일임을 직감한 프랭크가 더그를 호출하고 더그는 레이첼의 죽음에 끊었던 수를 다시 찾죠.
We're set to insert at 2100 EST, 0400 local time.
All right, let's move this down to the situation room. I'll be there in a few minutes.
그리고 마침내 더그가 집무실에 도착합니다.
Are you certain? Who gathered all this information? Oh, never mind. I shouldn't know. Was it you? Who?
No.
You shouldn't have brought this here.
I wanted you to see it.
Brutal.
I'm drunk, sir. I'm drunk right now.
This girl really meant something to you, didn't she?
Yeah. I've been working for Dunbar. I pushed myself too much. It was for you. See how close I could get if I could find something, a silver bullet, to prove that I was still useful.
How can I help you, Doug?
It's not another hospital.
Okay. We'll figure something out.
I'm not Peter Russo. I won't go like he did.
32,000 feet. 1 minute to insert.
20 seconds. Last check. Truck, come around. 3, 2, 1.
Video will go dark once they jump.
The rally point. Link up with Indig agent happens here.
Agent is low.
We shoot aboard, sir.
Mr. President.
Shut it down. Bring them home.
Matchstick. I repeat, matchstick.
Proceeding to X-ray.
결국 러시아의 자작극을 입증하는 데 실패한 프랭크. 그때 페트로프의 전화가 걸려오고
We know it was your man.
Whatever you're accusing us of, I don't know anything about it.
Oh, yes, you do.
You killed your own men, Victor.
It was you, not terrorists. It was FSBs.
What do you want out of all of this, Victor?
Justice. If anyone is to blame for their deaths, it's you.
Goodbye, Victor.
러시아군이 폭발 현장의 출입을 통제하자 이스라엘은 해당 지역을 비행 금지 구역으로 제한했고 그러자 막무가내 페트로프는 요르단 계곡으로 대통령 전용기를 띄우겠다 으름장을 놓죠.
Russian TV, 45 minutes ago.
아메리칸 옥스까지 고꾸라진 상황. 프랭크는 이번 사안에 사활을 걸기로 합니다.
Open up a line of communication with Moscow. Tell them I'm coming to the Jordan Valley myself. I want to be notified the moment that Petrov is on his way.
당장 일이 터질 듯한 긴박한 상황에 클레어는 어떻게든 외교력을 발휘해보려 하지만
Alexei?
You're wasting your time, Claire.
Then tell me who we can speak to. Who can influence him?
His mind is made up.
I'm on my way to Washington.
What for?
The embassy sent for me. I'm being recalled.
Alexei, if you need anything.
유엔 대사로서 일을 해결하고 싶던 클레어는 긴급 회의 중인 프랭크를 찾아갑니다.
Francis, do you have a moment? Why won't you place faith in a diplomatic solution?
This is diplomacy. I have no faith in the UN anymore. I do have faith in my ability to negotiate with this man.
Petrov's in the air.
페트로프의 소식을 들은 프랭크 역시 곧장 전용기에 오르고
We'll land in Tel Aviv, then take a special forces convoy from there to the perimeter of the valley. We'll pass through a checkpoint.
How secure is this location?
Sir, we're going to ask that you wear your Kevlar and helmet.
Are the
president has already landed.
About 90 minutes ago.
This could be seen as an election stunt. He's trailing Dunbar in the polls, so he wants to save the day.
I guarantee you this is no stunt.
Mr. President.
Here. You should stay hydrated. Do your men know that you're responsible for killing their comrades?
That's how you plan to convince me.
What do you require to pull out of the valley?
That your troops leave as well. And the entire peacekeeping operation. And you scale back missile defense.
프랭크는 미사일 방어 규모 축소를 약속하고 군대 역시 동시에 철수시키기로 페트로프와 합의를 하죠.
More than that, I think she should be gone as ambassador. My final condition.
That cannot be on the table.
It is, and it's non-negotiable.
You can't make this about her.
She was never equipped to be an ambassador. You know that. I understand, but she's blinding you.
You are being petty.
The SEAL team you sent. Look how easily we manipulated her. Moryakov didn't have to work too hard. Did we blow up our own men? Maybe we did. Maybe we didn't. But we made her believe that we did, and she convinced you. Now, wouldn't you call that blindness? You want to kill me now? I can see it.
I don't see why Claire means so much to you.
Because she means so much to you. And if you do this, I will know you're serious.
그렇게 백악관에 돌아온 프랭크는 그를 기다리고 있던 클레어에게 이렇게 전합니다.
Petrov wants a diplomatic change at the UN.
Me?
It was non-negotiable. I wanted to convince myself to refuse what he asked, but I couldn't do that. The Russians need to leave. It's as simple as that.
You want me to say this is okay?
They played you, Claire. It was all so that we would send our SEAL team in, and I didn't see it.
Petrov told you that?
Yes,
And you believe him?
I do.
I'll resign.
결국 대외적으로는 선거에 힘을 싣기 위한 이유라 밝히며 클레어는 유엔 대사직을 사임하기로 하죠. 다음날 영부인의 인기가 올라간다며 머리색 변화를 제안하는 참모.
We'll do the color change after we announce the resignation.
Thanks, Abby. If you don't want to, you don't have to do this.
You heard what Abby said. Every little bit counts. We'll do what we have to.
클레어는 이제 머리 색깔까지 프랭크를 위해 고쳐야 합니다. 지난 성폭력 방지법으로 여성들의 지지를 쌓은 클레어가 프랭크를 지원 사격하는 사이 프랭크는 덤바 제키와의 토론회 준비에 매진합니다.
Remy, what do you think?
Sorry, my mind was on the foreign policy argument. I was just thinking ahead.
Remy, you were distracted earlier. What's going on?
It's just between the campaign and managing the White House. I'm a little burnt out.
Evan?
You still can't believe she's dead, can you? Look on your laptop. She's alive, and I know exactly where she is.
You showed me the picture of her body.
That wasn't her.
이번엔 자신의 친구도 풀어달라는 케빈.
Do that. I'll tell you where she is.
그 사이 프랭크는 제키와 먼저 만나 덤바를 공격할 카드를 준비하고 있었습니다.
Oh, you don't want to call her sexist?
The argument doesn't hold.
I thought we had an understanding. You were going to play pitbull while I play presidential. You drop out next week, endorse me, and the race is over. Jackie, I really shouldn't have to convince you to do what it takes to get a set of keys.
I'll be the pitbull, Mr. President.
프랭크에게 부통령 자리를 보장받은 제키. 하지만 제키의 입지와 가족은 털끝도 고려하지 않는 프랭크의 태도는 제키를 수틀리게 만들었죠.
I want to endorse you. I'll lay off you tonight. We haven't even had the first cocktail. My endorsement is valuable. What did he offer you? I'm more interested in what you have to offer. He offered to put you on the ticket, didn't he? I wouldn't expect to be on your ticket, Heather. I would love your support, Jackie, but I offer you nothing. This is an easy win. Those decisions will be based purely on merit. I plan on winning, Jackie. Just not your way. Then I'm sticking with Underwood. You do what you have to do.
그리고 마침내 그날 저녁 세 사람의 토론회가 시작됩니다.
I believe that I have shown a clear vision to this country with America Works. We need now to take what we did there and spread it nationwide.
아목스의 효과로 말문을 연 프랭크는 던바의 정치 경력이 전무한 점을 공략하기 시작합니다.
Former Solicitor General Dunbar is next. Your opening statement, please.
I agree with the president. Unfortunately, he has the wrong vision and horrendous experience. America Works was illegal in the minds of many legal experts, myself included. His Jordan Valley plan was a disaster.
이어 제키는 계획대로 남녀 임금 격차 이야기를 꺼내며 금수저인 던바는 이해하지 못할 이야기로 공격을 이어가죠.
Ms. Dunbar can talk about balancing the scales, but she inherited a multi-billion-dollar fortune and never had to earn any cents on the dollar. But at least he knows what it means to work for a living.
두 사람이 정치 경력을 연이어 들먹이자 던바가 발언을 시작합니다.
Given the fact that he appointed his wife UN ambassador despite her utter lack of credentials.
That's a sexist comment.
Excuse me?
What have you done to further gender equality? What have you done to balance the scales?
You're just aping the president's rhetoric.
Another sexist comment.
Mr. President, what do you think of that?
Oh, I agree. I think that gender equality is very important. And under my AmWorks program, there will be a provision that all AmWorks jobs, there can be no discrepancy in pay between men and women.
토론의 승기가 프랭크에게로 기울어가자 제키는 던바의 자녀가 고급 사립학교에 다닌다는 사실을 폭로하며 쐐기를 박으려 합니다.
Would you send your kids to public school?
Let's keep our children out of this.
Or maybe it's that you didn't want to raise them yourself, so you sent them to boarding school.
Wow. You must really want to be president. I would never in a million years bring up your children in a debate.
Well, I have to say, I do think Ms. Dunbar has a point. I mean, speaking of hypocrisy, don't you send your own kids to private school, Congresswoman?
I was
판세를 잡은 프랭크는 계획이 없던 얘기까지 꺼내며 제키마저 완전히 보내버리죠.
You haven't said a word. You're disappointed in me.
If I'm disappointed in anyone, it's him for throwing you under the bus.
다음날 분노한 제키가 프랭크를 찾아갑니다.
Yes, but you canceled all your events.
I want to talk about the debate. I humiliated myself.
Oh, you mean the thing about your kid?
That wasn't what we discussed.
Well, I had to hit you hard so she wouldn't.
I'm not comfortable with the dynamic we've established.
What dynamic is that?
How I'm supposed to roll over and do any trick you want.
You're not happy with our dynamic?
Sir?
We had a deal, Jackie. If you were to be my vice president, you will do what I ask. That's our dynamic.
We're still sticking to the timeline. I drop out next week.
I see no reason why you shouldn't.
그리고 얼마 뒤 제키의 소식을 접한 레미 역시 프랭크를 찾아오죠.
Right? Man, we speak privately. Jackie just stopped by my office. She's upset. I think she made some valid points.
Who do you work for? Me or her?
You want to win? You sure as hell won't do it without any of them.
Are you talking about loyalty? Because the only brand of that I accept is unconditional.
얼마 뒤 제키는 예정대로 출마 포기를 선언합니다. 하지만
Is to help elect Heather Dunbar to the White House.
Judas bitch.
Yeah, I wonder what she offered her. Nothing.
그리고 이 모든 걸 지켜보던 레미도 비서실장 자리를 내려놓죠.
You should call the president.
Have you had a chance to go over the list of replacements for Remy? Well, I have a suggestion, sir, that's not on the list.
Who?
Me.
Says.
I want to integrate the policy in the press teams. Look, this outlines in detail what I would like to do as your chief of staff.
With just 1 week to go before the Iowa caucuses, the latest Gallup poll has Dunbar ahead by 6 points.
제키의 변심으로 여론조사에서 밀려가는 프랭크는 다시 클레어를 앞세워 여성표를 끌어오기 시작합니다.
Wouldn't you all like to hear from Claire first?
Thank you.
You were wonderful today. They just adore you.
She did an event in Olwine yesterday, and our people say you could barely hear her with all the cheering.
How badly can she hurt us?
They only need a point or two, and he's in the margin of error.
So we need to attack her.
프랭크를 떠난 레미는 잠시 휴식을 가진 뒤 제키를 찾아가죠.
Doing surrogate appearances for Heather in California. We could really use you.
I was hoping you just wanted to see my face.
We can't offer you as much as you made at Glendon Hill, but we can offer you a lot more than you made at the White House.
I'm not interested.
Where'd you land?
I'm out, Jackie. No more politics. I don't even know if I'll stay in D.C.
What are you gonna do?
I'll save you the trouble of trying to convince me.
Claire Underwood. We need to hit her hard.
You want dirt? I don't have any.
You must.
She pressed him, but nothing.
I find it hard to believe that we don't have a single thing we can use. Wait, there is one thing.
What?
Doug, it's been a while.
What do you want?
The journal. How much?
You're offering money? The trail doesn't come cheap.
Name a figure.
Sir, Dunbar's people just reached out to me.
Find a time. And find somewhere discreet. I don't want anyone on staff seeing her.
뭔가 카드를 쥔 듯한 덤버와의 만남. 프랭크는 페트로프와 밀담을 나눴던 지하실로 그녀를 안내하죠.
Hello, Heather.
I didn't expect the Oval, but this is interesting.
This is where Petrov and I smoked cigars during the summit.
I know Claire lied about the abortion, and I have the journal to prove it.
I have no idea what you're talking about.
The one you asked Doug to destroy. I wouldn't be so certain that he did it.
You're finally one of us. And even if there was a journal, you don't have it in you.
Make whatever assumption you want.
덤바는 클레어 주치의의 일기를 빌미로 프랭크의 사퇴를 요구하죠.
3 days, Mr. President. Think about Claire.
The president just called for you.
I'll call him back from the car. What is it?
The journal. Dunbar claims she has it.
He was supposed to.
I know. It's hard for me to believe.
Whatever you have to do, just fix it, Francis.
I will, I promise you that.
I'll come home.
You go straight to the plane. We'll say you weren't feeling well.
한편 그날 밤 제키는 레미를 찾아갑니다.
I appreciate the home visit, but I'm not gonna change my mind.
No, I didn't think you would. I can't stop thinking about you.
You're married, Jackie.
For the wrong reasons.
I thought you loved each other.
Not like this.
We're different people. You should go. Put this behind you.
I guess it was naive to think that we could remain close. So this is it.
Yeah, it is. Jackie.
레미와 제키가 서로의 마음을 다시 확인하던 그 시각, 프랭크는 일기의 행방을 확인하기 위해 더그를 호출합니다.
How do I know there aren't other copies?
Where do you keep your cigarettes?
In the bowl up there.
프랭크의 담배 보관함을 가져온 더그는 일기장에서 낙태 관련 부분을 찾더니
Why didn't you destroy it when I first asked you to?
Something stopped me. Maybe I would need it one day. I never came close to putting it in her possession.
Anything else I should know? I meant in regards to Dunbar.
This is a tight race. Make me your chief of staff. You promised there'd be a place for me here when I was ready.
And how can I know I can ever trust you again?
Because I just lit $2 million on fire.
곧바로 더그는 연락을 기다리던 덤바에게 전화를 겁니다. 그리고
Go fuck yourself. Christ, that felt good.
더그의 충성심을 재확인한 프랭크는 그를 다시 비서실장에 임명하고 집으로 돌아가죠.
What did Doug say?
It's destroyed. I watched him burn the page myself.
And you trust him?
And I'm gonna make him my chief of staff.
Are you out of your mind?
Doug is the only person we have ever been able to trust, and he played this very smart.
Why didn't you ask me before you brought him back? I'm starting to question all of it, Francis.
If you need to take a few days off, that's fine. You do not have to come with me to Iowa tomorrow.
No. Of course I'll be there.
Welcome back, Doug.
Seth, the president told me you asked for the job.
Yeah, I didn't realize that you were in contention.
I don't want you to resent me.
Let me know if you want any changes made to the talking points.
I'm sure they're good.
You don't want to look them over first?
I trust your judgment.
다음날 기자들은 클레어가 돌연 유엔 대사직을 사퇴하고 선거운동에 전념하는 이유를 캐묻기 시작합니다.
As for the ambassadorship, that was entirely her decision, not mine. Thank you all very much.
그러는 사이 더그는 개빈의 행방을 알아내기 위해 FBI 부국장을 대면하죠.
Then get me a precise location.
Was it you? Passport lock. I'm not gonna help you clean up your mess, Doug.
This isn't a request. I'm chief of staff to the president now. And if you want my first official task to be finding your replacement, so be it.
더그가 개빈을 찾는 이유는 하나였습니다. 그가 레이첼의 행방을 알고 있기 때문이죠.
I watched the press conference this morning. You said it was my decision to resign. We've been lying for a long time. To each other.
What do you mean?
You know what? Never mind.
Now, how have we been lying to each other?
We're not.
You just said that.
한편 FBI의 추적에서 벗어나 죽은 듯 살아가던 케빈.
Where is she? Tell me where she is.
I don't know, man. God!
I'm not asking again.
My computer.
How current is this?
She's there, I promise.
If this information is wrong, you die. You try to contact her, you die.
Frank Underwood is a dangerous man, lacks a moral compass.
She can criticize his policies, but to cast aspersions on his character is proof of desperation.
The decision you make next Tuesday is one you'll live with for years.
Choose a president over a charlatan.
Meet me out back.
Cassie Lockhart, Social Security card, driver's license, birth certificate.
주기적으로 신분을 세탁하며 숨어 지내던 레이첼.
You'll need plates, though.
I got plates.
근처에 도착한 더그는 현금으로 중고차 한 대를 구입하죠. 대포차에 삽까지 준비한 더그가 그녀의 거처에 가까워지고 마침내 그토록 찾던 레이첼을 발견하게 됩니다. 오래도록 그녀를 주시하는 더그. 한편 프랭크에게 크게 실망한 클레어는 더 이상 선거 유세를 돕지 않겠다 선언합니다.
Do you think she can join us tomorrow?
The press are starting to ask.
If we win, it'll be strange if she isn't standing next to you for your victory speech.
I'm going for a run. Can you arrange the detail, please?
It might highlight the fact that you're not in Iowa.
Right there, please.
신문을 통해 언더우드 부부의 불화를 확인하는 더그. 클레어는 이제 프랭크의 그늘에서 벗어나려 합니다.
Mrs. Underwood, the president is on the phone for you.
Hello?
No matter what happens tomorrow night, I want you by my side. Are you open to that? Claire? You don't have to do any events or press, just be there with me when I make my speech.
I'm sorry for what I did to you. I wish I could take it back. I thought I killed you. When I heard on the news you were alive, I felt so relieved. I would because I felt so bad. You didn't deserve what I did.
None of this is going to change anything.
Where are we going?
말없이 운전을 이어가는 더그. 차가 점점 외딴 곳을 향하자 레이첼은 무언가를 직감하죠.
If it's about punishing me, you don't have to.
더그가 삽을 챙겨 어디론가 향하던 그 시각 미첨이 프랭크에게 다가옵니다.
I just got word that Mrs. Underwood has postponed her flight here.
Tell Vaughn I'll be down in a few minutes.
This is Claire. Please leave a message.
It's me. When you get this message, will you please call me?
You breathe deeply. You're gonna pass out right away. Lie down, Rachel.
Rachel's gone! That is who I am now. I know you don't want to do this. Doug, please, please, please just let me go. Please. Please just let me go.
The president is on the line for you again.
Tell him I'm sleeping.
Yes, ma'am.
고민하던 더그는 레이첼에게 그날 일을 추궁합니다.
I don't know why you had to run that night.
I was afraid. I'm sorry. I know you have a good heart.
You're saying that because you want me to let you go.
You don't have to kill Rachel. She's already dead. But if you do this, you're not killing Rachel, you're killing Cassie. She just wants to be invisible. Hey, look at me. My name is Cassie Lockhart.
완전히 신분까지 바꾼 그녀의 호소에 넘어가는 더그. 이제는 그녀를 놓아주려 합니다.
Some water. There's a town 20 miles that way.
레이첼이 더그가 말해준 방향으로 향하고 더그는 워싱턴으로 차를 돌립니다. 그런데 결국 더그가 마지막 변수를 땅속에 묻어버리던 그 시각, 아이오와주의 경선에서 프랭크는 덤바를 두르고 승리를 쟁취합니다.
We should get going.
I want to try Claire one more time, see if she'll come out.
We don't want to squander prime time. A speech at 1 in the morning, we lose major viewership.
Fine, let's go.
결국 프랭크는 승리의 1등 공신 클레어 없이 승리 연설을 하게 되죠.
Well, Iowa has spoken. Some of you may know she's been a little under the weather, so that tomorrow she and I can get on a plane and fly to New Hampshire, where we are going to win there too.
Claire, you told me you were down here.
Just wanted to come somewhere to think.
Because I just had to give a victory speech, alone, and one way or another, I need you on that plane with me tomorrow.
I thought we were on this path together, but it's not what I thought it would be. We're two equal parts.
We are.
You really believe that? It's your office, not mine. We used to make each other stronger, or at least I thought so, but that was a lie. We were making you stronger, and I can't stand that feeling any longer.
All right, what do you want?
It's you that's not enough.
When we lose because of you, there will be nothing. We will only be has-beens. Well, here is the brutal fucking truth. Without me, you are nothing. You're right. This office has one chair. You want me to take charge? Fine. I will take charge. And you will be the first lady!
프랭크의 얕은 인내가 바닥을 드러내고 얼마 뒤, 더그가 긴 출장에서 복귀합니다.
Are you okay?
I'm good to go, sir.
Yes?
Ma'am, the president wanted me to check and see if you're ready.
Francis. I'm not going to New Hampshire.
마침내 클레어가 프랭크의 곁을 떠나며 하우스 오브 카드의 3번째 시즌이 끝납니다.
Claire.
영상을 재미있게 보셨다면 좋아요와 구독도 부탁드립니다. 감사합니다.